Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gems Creates. Friends, I'm going to share an exciting project that can provide you a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning. If you are on my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can earn huge profit on the daily basis. Friends, I'm going to share a great earning project that can provide you 100x to 1000x profit in future. Here will be provided you all the details of this site. Here I will show you how can you earn more money on the daily basis. Friends, it is a great network that has been listed on the CoinStore app. Here will be given to you the all information about the CoinStore app. Here you can check their CoinStore instructions are present here. You can check. I'm already sharing with you a lot of projects that have got 100x to 1000x profits on this network. So here it's given to you their all instructions of earnings. You can check here that all beneficial information has been provided to you about this network. All their information about their productivity has been given to you about this site. You can check here that all beneficial portion will be provided to you on the CoinStore app. You can get this coin. I'll share with you all their productivity information. You can check here. It is a great network project that can give you a huge amount of money. You can check a VFlow, a project that can give you a huge amount of money. You can check here. They are providing you huge AI site production that can give you a lot of profit in future. When you invest in this site, you can check here they are providing you a lot of instructions of your blockchain investments, and you can check here their all beneficial portion will be provided to you on their trading site. You can check here they are present on the trading products. So here you can check the trading technology. Use our trading engine to display on your products, and you can watch here your all tokenomics will be provided to your ecosystem will be given here about this site. You can check here the trading live volume is present here. CoinStore instructions are present here. You can watch here that all productivity information will be provided to you about this network. I'll share with you how to earn profit. You can check here that all services about their products are present here. You can check here that all fungible and non-fungible tokens will be given to you. All the flow of the tokens is present here. The VFlow utility token is the main shaft of the ecosystem. More especially, it grants access to all our services. Furthermore, the token holders gain discounts and airdrops on your investments. So here will be given to you their all investments plans. You can check here your all rewards and discount stacking portions are present here. All the raw tokens and all your investments plans will be provided to you. All discounts and paying informations are present here. You can check here. Token allocation is given to you. Total supply team advisor marketing businesses stacking portion and all your investments plans of your earnings will be provided to you about this site. You can check here they are providing you BNB chain that is going to be high in future. You can check here it has got 100x profit already in the next last 1 month. So you can watch here they are providing you spotting to your Series 1 T OKX 3 commas coin store, and you can check here they are present on the coin store. I have already told you about their coin store network. They are providing you a huge amount of money in future with this network. So you can watch here they're all as seen in the Bloomberg Coinbase, and all their products are present on the CoinStore app. You can easily buy this coin on the CoinStore app. Easily, you can earn huge amount of profit up to 100x or more than 100x profit on the daily basis. So here is provided to you their all details of earning. I will share with you their white paper. Here you can check the white paper is present here. All your running instructions are present here about this site. You can check here. They are providing you huge amount of process earnings. You can watch here the decentralized trading engine, polls, crypto lendings, value flow wallets, and all your valuable instructions are present here about these products. And you can check here their all security and all their procedural earnings are present about their sites. And you can watch the investments, buy, hold, TFL token to earn huge amount of money. I have already told you it is going to be Moon. So here will be given to you the blockchain. We are going to use the Binance Smart Chain as the blockchain on which the token will be minted. So here you can easily use the Binance Smart Chain. BNB Smart Chain is used for their transactions. Here you can check their all in decentralized portion is present here about their network. Here you can check their social platform will be given to you. I will share with you their social platform. Here is present their X account. You can watch here. Your all investments plans will be given to you on their site. Here you can easily join them. VFlow fixed products diverse option with the APR reaching 150% of your reaching up to 150%. You can earn huge amount of money. You can watch here their all diverse information has been provided to you about their site, and you can easily earn their all master class binding instructions are present here about their trading volume. Trade volume is present here. Trade manually, trade using bots. Technical analysis can also be earned huge amount of money by this network. So now I'm going to show you their Telegram account. You can check here. They are already sharing their instruction on their Telegram. You can use their Telegram channel to earn huge amount of profit by using all their instructions of earning. You can check here. I will share with you all your procedural earning about their network. Here I will show you their all instructions of earning. You can watch here. Their more procedural earning is present here about this site, and you can watch here. Your all productivity information has been provided to you about their network. So now I will show you their all trading volumes and all their affiliate programs. You can check here their teams. A team is given to you. You can easily watch their team. So you can join their Telegram account. You can watch here their pricings are present here. You can easily watch here their all productivity information will be given to you about their team, and you can check here their all pricings are present here. I will share with you what is the price of this coin. You can watch here the Come3 subscription packet 30 days 45 USD. So you can watch here they are providing you on a low price. Here you can earn huge amount of profit. You can watch at 50,000 VFlow tokens will be provided to you on your products, and you can watch here your all procedural earning will be given to you here. So friends, I have shared with you their affiliated programs. You can watch how the registration bonuses information will be given to you. You can register your account and you can share it with your friends and family, and you can earn huge amount of profit on the daily basis. I am going to share with you how can you register your account. You can watch here their all blogging forms are present here, how to earn more profit, and all your instructions of your registrations are present here. You can watch here your password, the content protect your password information has been given to you. You can watch here your all instructions of earnings are present. You can use your password here to log in. So after that, you can enter your account. So easily registration will be confirmed on your products, and you can watch here your all procedural earning will be given to you on your affiliated program. Forms are present here. All your instructions of your forms are present here globally. Investments of your global community is given to you. You can easily earn huge amount of money on that daily basis. So friends, here is given to you your homes, products, and all your services of your products are present here. Trading technology, tokenization services, decentralized finance, and also non-fungible tokens are present. Finally, our NFTs marketplace will give us the ability to create and sell NFTs, but also attract young creators that will kickstart their careers with us. So easily you can earn huge amount of benefits on their networks. All your marketing portions are present here. You can easily earn huge amount of profits. So all their affiliate and blogging information is present here. All your products and private information are present here. Project Coin Store is present. You can watch here. They have already launched and listed on the Coin Store app. You can easily buy it on their Coin Store, and you can watch here their all outflow information, background steps, and next information about their products has been provided to you here. So I will share with you how can you buy this token. You can watch here the VFlow on CoinStore launchpad. So you can watch here VFlow on the CoinStore launchpad. Today is a great day to the spot the for especially to those who can buy this network easily. So here you can check their all documents and information about their steps are present here about their network, and you can easily buy them on the CoinStore app. So here I'm going to show you how can you buy on VFlow app on the coin store. You can check here the VFlow USDT coin is present here. You can watch here. I will show you how can you buy this coin. You can watch here their all market cap is present here. You can watch here. They are providing you huge amount of instruction. You can easily earn huge amount of profit here. You can enter the amount here. The VFlow amount will be entered. So here you can easily buy the quantity of your VFlow. So here I'm going to enter my VFlow amount. So here you can check the 40 USD will be confirmed, and you need to click on the confirm button. So here it has been bought, and you can easily earn when it will go up to 100x plus. So here will be given to you all the details of earning, how to make money, and how to earn profit on the daily basis. Friends, here was given to you the all details of earning, how to earn profit. So if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and also you can join this network for earning.